Starting with some data on penguins, let's see how filtering works in blockr. So let's right click, append block, search for filter, and we'll see that two types of filter exist. In both cases, the filter works by returning all rows where your expression evaluates to true. So let's start with the more simple case, filter rows. How this works is we can first select a column from our data set. So here let's pick island. And then secondly, we pick values in that column that we want to keep. So here we're going to pick Bisco and Dream. And we see that the island is now filtered to only return the values where Bisco and Dream evaluate to true. If we hit the exclude button here, we get the inverse of this, where we only keep the Torgerson, so we exclude Bisco and Dream. Likewise, there's a second button here, preserve selection order. If we click this, what this allows us to do is drag and drop the values in our values box, and it will apply the filters in the order the values appear. So if we move these around, we'll see that Dream now appears first because it first filters for Dream and then Bisco. What we can also do is click this add condition button, and we can now build up layers of different filters. So here I might only want to return the species of penguin, which evaluates to chin strap. And now we only get the chin strap penguins on the Dream and Bisco Islands. Okay, the second type of filter which exists is an advanced filter. So let's append an advanced filter block. And how this works is we can type our expressions, and those which evaluate to true will filter the data. If you're unfamiliar with our expressions, we have a helper guide here. You can click this link, which will bring you through to documentation with some nice examples and patterns that you can use in blockr. So let's see some of these in action. So one thing we might want to do now is say, let's pick island, and we have autocomplete by default, which helps you write these expressions. We'll hit enter, and let's say island is equal to Dream, submit our expression, and we see that the island is now filtered to our Dream value. Alternatively, we could say, let's pick bill length, and let's return only those values greater than 40, let's say. Hit submit, and now we just get bill lengths greater than 40. So this filter expression block allows for more flexibility, but comes with a steeper learning curve. So together, both filters allow us to build some complex subsets of our data.